In this video, I will show you how to print shipping label on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you need to head over and integrate an application to your Shopify. Head over to your apps to Shopify.com and then search for this particular app, which is the Aftership Shipping Plus Labels. So what you can do is you can head over and install this particular application, and you should be able to get this kind of labels right here. So for this one, let's head over to dashboard of that specific application. I've already logged in and connected my Shopify account right here. So as you can see right here, I have here this particular order. So what you can do is you can head over and click on this particular order right here. And in here, you just need to enter in here the specific details, like for example, the service, the package, the weight, the length, as well as the height, the width, and all of these things right here, as well as delivery time if you have that. So once you have head over and inputted all of the necessary things, you can see this print packing slip right here. And then once you have clicked on that, it will load this particular PDF that will see in here what it will look like. So this is the packing slip or package. What you can do is you can just head over and click on this icon right here. And then once you have done that, this will let you print this particular document or packing slip or shipping label into your actual package. So once you have uploaded it, you can actually put it on your package. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.